Hey guys, what's going on? In this video, we're going to talk about some affiliate marketing companies. Now, for starters, I'm going to assume that you already know what affiliate marketing is. If you don't, you need to go and check this out real quick. Watch this video. I'll put a link up here for you to check out what affiliate marketing is. Assuming that you already know what it is, let's talk about some examples of companies. But before we do that, do me a favor. Nail that like button. It really helps out the video. Think about subscribing to my channel, because if you do, I'll be like, woo! Alright, sweet. Let's get right to it. Let's go over some examples of companies, of affiliate marketing companies. Now, I'm going to talk through a few, right? So this first one is Commission Junction, CJ.com. This is a huge company that you can sign up with, and you can sign up for different companies' affiliate programs via this company. Now, I'm going to give you a disclaimer as I walk through a few of these, but let me go ahead first and show you a few, and then I'm going to talk through some of my thoughts with you. So the next one is Share a Sale. The website doesn't look, incredibly beautiful or cool or whatever, but this is actually a pretty long-standing company. I've had a number of people that I know in the industry that have recommended this company. So while, the branding's a little bit older, they are definitely in tune and have some good offers for items. So, and here's an interesting thing, is that a lot of these companies will maybe have a few companies that you want to represent or market for, and so it can be difficult because, you could be in here filling out and having accounts with multiple different companies, and then payout sometimes are like a minimum amount, so you have to do a certain amount of sales before you can get a payout, for example. But so another one is JVZoo. Another affiliate marketing platform that they have relationships with tons of customers that you can market and promote their services. I have not personally used JVZoo. I have used CJ.com and Share a Sale. So just to disclose that. If you want to market and promote digital products, online products, ebooks, and different things like that, ClickBank is a really large company for that. So that's ClickBank. And then, so those are all four examples of like portals, right? That what they do is they build relationships with companies, and you sign up with them to have access to the other companies, and you can apply for their individual programs. What I personally actually recommend is that you go directly to companies and sign up with their affiliate programs. The easiest one probably to sign up for is the Amazon Associates program. So if you were just to Google Amazon Associates program, you can sign up for that, and then you would actually get this cool little header up here where any product that you're on, you could actually get a link and then promote that product. Okay, so if whatever this is, indoor-outdoor security camera. So if I were to go to this product, let's say I want to promote this product, I can actually click right here and get a link for this actual product right here. So straight from Amazon, I can get a link and then refer that product or service, right? So here it is right here. This is the link, like, to this product. So if I were to copy that and go to, for example, an incognito tab, I can paste it, and it should take us straight to that product. Yep, that's it. So this is an affiliate link. So I would get paid a small commission. Now that is the thing with Amazon, is that the commissions are smaller, but it's also the easiest program to refer people to. So that is what I'd recommend. Now let me give you another example. So like of what I'm talking about going directly to the company, right? So BLUEHOST, for example, is a company that we do web hosting with. Like, I really, really like this company. And so what you want to do is search and say, hey, does this company have an affiliate program? So what I would do is Google, the name of the company and like affiliate program or referral. Usually if you search affiliate program, you'll get the results that you need. And you can actually see right here. So join our web hosting affiliate program. So really cool. So you can click the link and go check it out. And so what you would need to do is sign up individually for these programs, right? And so here it is, log in, so I can create an account, right? So you would just go and create an account, and you're gonna have to apply. So you would have to go in, put in your information, create a username, password, put in your company information, tax ID, social security number. Most of them, you don't have to have an actual company, like an LLC or anything like that. You can go through and just, you can typically use your social security number, that's no problem. Because if you make, a certain amount of income, they're going to need to send you an IRS, tax document at the end of the year. So my recommendation is for you to go individually to these companies. Now, so why do I recommend that? So the reason why I recommend that you recommend companies that you know is because you're going to be recommending these companies to people and making a commission from them, right? So yes, it's very tempting to promote and market a product or service that pays out high commissions. Maybe it's $100 a sale or even higher. But in reality, if you don't personally use that product or service, my opinion is that you can't give a good recommendation to someone else to use that product or service if you yourself don't. Does that make sense? So, like in real life, you wouldn't, and I say real life, offline, you wouldn't recommend your friend, if your friend says, hey, what restaurant should I eat in this area? If you don't know, you're going to say, I don't know. Or if you have a recommendation, you're going to say, oh, try this. It's delicious, like they have great food. Now you can say, and this is what I'd recommend you do in the online world, you can say, hey, I've heard this place is really good. My friends have recommended it to me. You might want to try it out. Now that is a way that you can market online products or services that you haven't yourself used. If you do research and you find out that it's a good product or service, that it's great, then at that point, it's okay, I think, to market those products. But with the disclaimer, like disclosing that, like, hey, I don't use this, but I've done a lot of research, and this is what I've found. I found that people find this to be a really useful product, and here's the reasons why they found it to be useful. And here's a link if you want to, like, check it out for yourself. Now, if you do that, I think it's totally valid, I think. But to blindly go out and market companies just because of a payment or a high payment or whatever, I just think is a bad idea. I think you need to think more long term about referring to people, and people aren't, right, like you who I'm talking to, you're smart, right? Like you're a smart person. If I try to just like dump recommendations on you and it seems like I have no knowledge of them, are you gonna go and buy that product or service that I recommend? I mean, you're probably only going to buy it if you know that I've used it. I'm telling you why I like it, like the reason why I think it's great and why I'd recommend you use it. That probably makes more sense, right? Or if I can really give you a lot of good information on the product or service, and you can just read through the crap, right? If it's like shallow information, you can just read through it. So it's just a better long term for you to recommend products or services that you know. Now, so going back to those portals, you might have to go through a few different ones, right? So you may have to go here and find, like, research specific services or products that you want. Same with here, it's share a sale. But what I've found is that over time, every product that I use, I have a spreadsheet that I track on. And I have probably 10 or 15 affiliate products that I recommend. And they're all things that I use. It's taken me a few years to kind of get to that point, but over time you'll start figuring out the products or services that you use, and you can put those on a spreadsheet so that you can look and research and see if they have an affiliate program. If they do, sign up for it and then start recommending that product, right? If you're already using it and you like it, why not have the ability to recommend it to other people? And that's the way that I see it. It's taken me, again, a couple of years to build up that list of products and services, but it's anything from Amazon Associates to Bluehost web hosting, to different credit card offers that I have, to educational products, other resources and services. And in fact, you can scroll down in my description. Two things. One, I have a free ebook on affiliate marketing. If you want to check that out, you can download it. You just put in your name and your email, and then I email it to you directly. But so that's one option. Two, you can also look at all of the things that I recommend in my description. The majority of those are affiliate links, and they're all products and services that I use. And so if you want to check those out, you can get examples of what products that I recommend. They're things that I use, and you can start building your own arsenal of tools. And maybe some of those are products that you use, and you can also go sign up for those affiliate programs. So, or maybe you're looking for something down there, and I end up selling you a product or service that that you find useful based on some video that I make or whatever, right? So I'll post some more videos here on affiliate marketing so you can really get into this industry. It's awesome. Like, we're all doing it already by referring products and services. Like, why not? Why not get paid, right? Some people clearly are making tons of money in the affiliate industry, and so yeah, and so that's it. So I look forward to connecting with you guys next time. Take care.